If you are watching this video, you are probably looking for information about the Slimsolve supplement. You are in the right place. I will tell you how it works, if it is suitable for all body types, how long I need to use the supplement, how to use it and what guarantees it offers. So I recommend you to watch until the end. I promise I will answer all your questions. Hello, my name is Lily. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to get the body of your dreams that you deserve, without expensive treatments and impossible diets to follow, Slimsolve may be the solution you are looking for. It is important that you pay attention to the warnings I have to make. One crucial point is to be careful, because with the success of Slimsolve, there are many fake products being sold on the internet. But don't worry, I left the link to the official website right below in the video description. Just check it after watching and you can make your purchase safely, easily, and with fast delivery. The manufacturers of Slimsolve Supplement developed its formula from a recent discovery released by Stanford University researcher that the sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the production of fat cells through the release of glucocorticoids, which retain more fat cells, hindering the work of metabolism and leading to an accumulation of extra weight in various parts of the body. It's in this hormone that the Slimsolve supplement will balance. It is a safe, powerful, and all-natural way to burn even the most stubborn pockets of fat. It has already reduced up to 34% of unwanted body fat in 2 months. But how is Slimsolve different from other products? Slimsolve is different because it attacks the hormone that multiplies your body's fat cells by inhibiting what they call the sympathetic fat response. This is the key to unlocking safe and stable weight loss. It also raises your vitality levels, enhances your cognitive ability, and boosts your overall health and well-being. Slimsolve is a supplement that uses natural ingredients like devil's backbone, which prevents your body from storing additional fat and enhances serotonin, the one responsible for well-being, which can signal you to stop overeating, lemon balm and passion flower to calm and remove anxiety about caloric foods. Ashwagandha helps the body lower stress levels, which is responsible for quickly killing your body's fat burning. And a weak stress response can make it virtually impossible to lose weight. Slimsolve is produced in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility here in the United States. It contains no GMOs, dangerous toxins, or addictive substances, making it safe for use. But how do you use it? Each bottle of Slimsolve comes with 60 capsules, designed to last for 30 days. Simply take 2 capsules twice a day with water and let our powerful natural ingredients do the rest. No complicated meal plans or exercise routines are required. It is important to emphasize that this is not a miracle solution, but a treatment that should be taken seriously. Each body reacts and absorbs nutrients in a unique way. According to the manufacturer, most users of Slimsolve notice differences after 1 week, but the most consistent results are obtained with continuous use of Slimsolve supplementation for 3 to 6 months. Regarding cost, the purchase of the 6-pack is the most advantageous option to complete the treatment. The larger the number of bottles purchased, the lower the unit price will be. Slimsolve has an impressive 365-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the product. So if you are not satisfied within a full year, you can go to the official website, contact the support team and they will return all your money. Great, isn't it? Bottom line? Slimsolve is great and it does work, and if you take the treatment seriously, you will have your life transformed. I hope I helped you with this review. Thank you for your attention and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. See you